Okay guys, so let's go shopping. Let's go to Trader Joe's. So come on, come shop with me. Heading to Trader Joe's. Alright, shopping at Trader Joe's today. See what I can find because I'm craving some Indian food. And it's easy and already made up in here. Okay? Okay guys, so we're gonna go inside of Trader Joe's because I'm craving some Indian food, and my daughter told me that the Indian food here is in the frozen section is very good and spicy, so I'm gonna try it today. All right, so come on, come shop with me at Trader Joe's. Okay, and I think I'll try these also. The beans. I'm craving Indian food, so yes, I'm gonna get this also. Okay. Wow, look at this, you guys. Green onion pancakes ready to cook. I'm gonna try this too. Garlic bread. Look at that. It's only $2.99. Good deal. Look at this. I've been wanting this white corn. Look. It's only $1.49. So I'm gonna get some white corn. Let's grab 2 of these. Ooh, my favorite. Belgian waffles. Ooh, I'm gonna get these. Look at that. $1.99. Only $1.99. Great deal. And gonna get some Thai curry sauce. Just in case I need extra sauce. Always good to keep some just in the cabinet. Look at this. I want to try the lentil soup also. So I'm going to try this. This looks delicious. Okay, I'm all done. Okay, so I'm all done shopping at Trader Joe's. And I think I got some good deals. Okay. All right. Okay, you guys, so I'm back home and I can show you guys. Do you want to see what I got from Trader Joe's? So remember I was craving Indian food, so I got everything that I wanted today, and I can show you guys what I got right now. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so first I got some lentils. So it's the curry lentils. See? So I will be trying that. And then I also got some curry sauce. And then I got these I wonder what they make these with. Are these with garbanzo beans? Let me see, you guys. Oh, chickpeas. Okay, so I got the chickpeas also, okay. And then I got me some corn. So I wanted some corn also. And then I'm just gonna show you all the Indian food that I got, okay? So I got a lot of extras. You know, I can't go in the store and just get one thing. I always gotta get extras. Okay, also you guys, ooh, I can't wait to try this one. The lamb. Look at that. Ooh, don't that look good? It says lamb and spicy curry sauce. Ooh, can't wait to try it. Okay, and what else? And then I got some garlic bread, the garlic naan bread. Don't that look delicious? Okay, and I think that's about it for the Indian food. Okay, and then yeah, That's all I got that was for my Indian meal that I want to make, but my Indian food that I want to make today. But I also got this, and I'm gonna eat this with this also because it looks so delicious. Look at this, you guys. It's green onion pancakes. Look at this. I'm about to eat this with my Indian food. Don't that look good? It was only $2.99 at Trader Joe's. Look at that. See? Don't that look delicious? Oh my God, it looks so good. So I'm about to have this, the green onion pancakes. I'm gonna have the garlic naan bread, okay? And then I'm gonna have the lamb, the curry lamb. Look at that. Curry lamb. So, and then I'm gonna have the chickpea, okay? And then also the lentil. It's like a lentil. It looks like lentil soup, huh? So I'm gonna have that. So that's all my Indian dish that I'm about to eat right now for lunch. So that's what I'm eating for lunch, you guys. So I'm gonna make a plate and then I'll show you guys the plate, okay? So hold on. Oh, I'm gonna heat everything up in the microwave, okay? I'm gonna go heat up everything in the microwave and then I'll show you guys the plate when I'm done, okay? It's gonna be so delicious. It's so good. I tried it. It's so, they put the spices, it's just perfect. Okay, so if you don't feel like going to the restaurant to get your Indian food, go to Trader Joe's, you guys. You won't be disappointed. It's so good. Oh my God, let me show you. Let me show you. Hold on. Okay, guys. Okay. I'm so excited because it tastes so damn good. It's so good, you guys. If you don't feel like going to the restaurant to get your Indian food, go to Trader Joe's because it's good. All right. Let me show you guys. Okay, hold on. Okay, y'all ready? Are you ready? Look at that, you guys. Oh my God. And there you have it. Look at it. Okay, so I'll zoom in for you guys. Look at that. That's the chickpeas. Hold on. This is the chickpeas right there, okay? And that's the curry lamb. I got 2 of those. Then I have the, oh sorry, that's the lentil soup and the corn. And then you have the naan bread, and I have the green onion pancake bread. See that? Don't that look good, you guys? Oh my God, I'm about to eat up. Ooh, it looks so delicious. Okay, guys, so I wanted to share that with you guys. So this was a great find, and thank you, daughter, for telling me. My daughter always finds the good stuff, and she lets me know. So I'm letting you guys know, okay? So go to Trader Joe's and get this. They have all types of Indian food over there too. It's so good. All right, you guys. So I'm keeping you guys in the loop. Okay? See that? And I got some white corn because their white corn and the frozen white corn that they have over there is so delicious. All right, you guys. And there you have it. You have the Trader Joe's Indian food. It's in the frozen section, you guys. Okay, so go get yours and let me know if you like it. It's really good, you guys, and it saves time. When you don't feel like cooking, you can just go to Trader Joe's and get this. Okay. All right, you guys. That's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And I thank you guys for watching, and come back soon. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one. I'm about to eat this food. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. Okay, see you guys. Okay, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.